Today, we'll be taking a look at the shock absorber on this LG front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, let's first remove this back panel here. It's held on by 4 Phillips screws. Once we get this off, you'll want to lift up. Maybe pry your hands behind the metal, lift up, slide out, pull down, and set it to the side. Now that we have the back removed, we have clear access to our rear shock absorber. Now the main reason why you'd be needing to get to any of these shock absorbers is if the unit is going off balance. As you can see, this one down here is broken. It will need to be replaced. Sometimes they can still be attached and not be broken and be bad. And how you tell if they're bad or not is you push down the drum and it should go down and stay up. If it continues to bounce, the chances are one of the shocks are bad. Now to take these out, it can be rather difficult. What I want you to do is use a 13mm deep well socket and slide it on this stake that is going through the shock, and it has locking tabs on that stake. That socket is just right to where it will push in those locking tabs, and you can pull from the other side and start to pull this out. So once we get it out, pull down on that portion of the shock. Now let's do the bottom one. Pop in our socket. Pull that out, pull out that portion of the old shock, and set it to the side. When installing a new shock, we are going to bring it so that the metal plunger is on the bottom. Let's line that up first, and then we will install our locking pin, and it goes so that the locking portion is going toward this side by the wiring. So you may have to move it around a little bit to get it perfect. We have it almost in there. I'm going to tap it with a hammer. I'll pop it in the rest of the way. Now with this one, you will line it up, pull it up to the top, try to get it as close as you can so we can reinstall the pin on this side. You don't have as much room to hit with the hammer on this side. Make sure a flat spot is going toward the back here. And then wiggle this up and down just till we get it in. Gently tap the rest of the way in. Now we can reinstall the back panel. When reinstalling your back panel, you will have what looks like a Wi-Fi signal going up. And then of course you slide in the metal as far as you can in the back here, push it forward, and then drop it down so that the metal falls into the bottom, and this will hold it in place. Let's reinstall the 4 screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.